tayo.
Oo.
Diba?
Kaya, bigyan nyo naman kami ng
Ano, PvP na lang, oh, para, ano.
Papalag ba kayo sa mga yan?
Oo, okay lang sa akin. Wala namang price.
Wala namang price na. Tapos, bawasan ng ano, may protection. Nawalan ako ng protection. You know what? Okay. Na-demote din siya. Okay, let's re-key ko lang. Wait lang. Restart ko lang yung app. Nag-frame drop ako eh. Hindi ko na maintindihan eh. Wait lang. Tak! Suntok! Sige! Sayang! Oh my god! Oo. Riot Shop. Redeem. Search mo na lang. Riot Shop. Tapos redeem. Tapos enter players to see champions going down because of their ults one by one. Tapos ang laki na nung storm. Okay. Good trade. I think I can go for... Yan, 3 curve na tayo. Let me kill. Dalawa pa to. Oh, red guard. Taunted na. Sige, tumakbo na kayo. Ah, puta, namatay pa yung isa niyang kasama.
Janera, good luck.
Tiwala kami sa'yo. Protektahan mo ako. Stop the time.
Communication kami. Pero overall, I had fun naman. So thank you so much, Degree, for this opportunity.
Ayan. Maraming salamat din sa Piachu din and
Yeah, the key to playing Teemo jungle is just you have to just keep moving. Holy shit! It's fine. Tatlo sila eh. Alright, since I died, we go in that. Oh, skin trial. Okay. Nice. So may skin trial tayo. Ban Lux. Because Lux is annoying. Ayan, good din pala sa'yo, Boss Creo. Oy, hindi ako si Boss Creoles, ha? Hindi ako si Creoles. Have you seen me? Can I just change that? Control. Oh, Lee Sin is actually roaming na. Yeah, another thing. Hi, baby boy. Diyos ko. Ay, nako. Ay, JB. Nagawa mo. Pag ganito, ang hirap na ihabol nito. We're gonna need at least a few more clashes for this to actually work. Ah, may ambesa pa pala doon.
Ay, puta, wala akong madamage yun. JK pa lang ako eh.
Takot sila. Kulang kayo papapatay, please. We need it. We need those. We need this we need this dragon. $20 seconds. Merong pupunta dito. Ayun, Oink! Tapos na ho yung trabaho ko. Huwag nyo na ho ako tawagan. Diyos ko naman. I work from 7 to 4, bro. Stop. Mas prefer pa rin manual. Well, yeah, if you prefer manual, you can do it manually. Pero, you have to edit your controls kasi pag nag-manual ka, wait lang, and so we meet our future self. And we for mage-born people, 'di ba? Para maging safe haven nila. Yun yung talagang specific na ginawa nung 71 lang. Tignan natin kung pwede na tayo mag-CM. Teka lang. Tapos parang yun yung magiging elements natin for fire, earth, fire, rock, lightning, water, parang ganun. In a wheel, tapos iroroleta natin siya. Kung sinong mapick, siya yung maglalaro for my viewer side. Tapos kasama nyo yung 4 players, diba? Pero madaming in-nerf yan. Madaming i-adjust yan. I think they're gonna nerf Victor too next patch kasi sobrang sakit ni Victor. Oink, hindi mo ako mahuli. Sorry. Parang gugulo lang ako eh. Might solve all of our problems. This could solve all of our problems. One punch. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, they're making more series. More League of Legends inspired series. The series says I'm being dumb, but they're gonna make more stories based off of League of Legends lore. So this wala akong ano kasi. Fine. Wala akong katulong kasi dun eh. We're good. I don't have gates yet. giveaway for the Victor skin, the secret boss Victor skin soon. So just keep following the page. If you're going this way, if you're going backwards, and you have, let's say, an enemy here, and hindi ka sanay sa claw mode, it'll be dito sa Bridgetown sa Pasig on December 15. So if you guys want to be part of that concert, and I'll just show you the. Oh my god, I'm dead. Dito kami natalo nila Giyang eh. Naunahan kami, walang magde-def. Pinili namin mag-objective. Wala, parang makukuha nila yung ano eh. Parang makukuha nila yung mimic eh. Hindi, naka-defen pa. Okay. And maybe, bakit wala sila? Ano? Hindi ko lang alam kung nag-i-stream pa si Madam mo yun sa Facebook. Pero mostly sa TikTok na siya. Dito na siya sa TikTok kasi mas malakas na, mas lumakas yung community ng TikTok when it comes to watching streams. That was Vander, bro. No, not him. Not him. Punch! Vander. I think it was Maddie. I think it was Maddie, bro. I think it was Maddie. Bigyan ko kayong foreshadow interaction ni Renata kay Victor sa PC. Yeah, but hindi sobrang aggressive. Yung casual players lang. Casual player na galaw lang. But they are good. They are good players.
Reset ha, hindi tayo pwede maabusan dito kung babaro niya mga yan.
Oh, sige,
Okay.
reset. May isip pa naman ako, tsaka hindi po wala pang maka-cash out.
Ah? Okay.
W first. IE. Yep. Hello, Trinda. Hello, Trinda. Here we go again. Ah? What just happened? Brilito. Hello, Brilito. Oh my god. Vladimir? Lua, hello, Lua. Sige, bawian natin to. Nag-triple kill tuloy yung Vix. Ah, naka-shield. Okay. The Kaiser. Yeah, but that's gonna be after, bro. That's gonna be after. Let it be Swain's origin story. 'Di ba? Kung paano siya ang tatalo kami ng ADC nila, wala eh. Ayaw kasi sumama nung Garen sa teamfight. Lugi kami sa teamfight, buddy. Push tower, oh. Ayan, oh, Garen, oh. Push tower na. Okay ka na, oh. Naka-sunder. Yung screen capture ko, ayaw gumana kanina. Naban tuloy ako ng 1 oras sa CN dahil dun. Dito na pala si Darkstar Trash, oh. I don't really care about it. 1,000. There we go, easy. Up. What the fuck? Nagtaka lang. Ay, thank you for the follow, man. Try Dr. Mundo next game. Bad trip yun. Bubuli dito early si Vladimir, ah. Ayan. Ay, bumalik lang tayo pala dito. Inon ko lang yon para. So he did get okay. Okay, he did get the evolution thing going. Here we go. Come on, someone has to die. Someone has to die, please. Please, someone has to die. Ayan oh, nice. Oh. Nice. Oh, we got it. We got it. Bang. Ah.
May Yumi pa yan. Gagi, war tayo dyan.
Oo nga.
Hindi, exhaust ka na lang pagka ano. Tanin nyo
Pussy
na lang.
connection.
Marami naman
Pussy
tayo.
connection.
Pusi ko.
Ba't nawalan ako ng ultimate? Ah, ba yan? I'm shipping sa controls mo. Ganun talaga. That's the rule, bro. That's the rule.
Okay, okay lang. Okay lang. Ito.
Ano
Gusto ko rin dyan eh.
Sige.
Uy, umiinit. May sa
Nabuti na
dati
yun,
mga
nabuti
kalok
na.
natin.
Walang wave.
Last wave na to.
Okay.
Gago na pindot pa yung ulti. Ah, fuck. Wala na. Yeah, they're gonna steal. I already know it. Teka lang po. Baka may bumalak eh. May nagbabalak eh. Teka lang. He stunned and he missed. Bye. Have a wonderful time. Burn. Ping. Asan yung ping? Three, 7. Wala. Si Jin. Oh, si Diablo. Ano?
Takas ako.
Tunaw. Palo. Nice. On the way na. 3 seconds.
Ano yun?
Nice one.
Pwede tayo magbaron. Ay, low. Get that anti-heal. Wait lang. Naku, wala akong ano. Oink. Ako po.
Tuloy ko lang to top.
Masyado naman kayong gigil, guys.
Ang gigil.
Kaya ba? Ah! Oh my god, sayang. Sige. Push mo lang, dig. Hindi nyo pa naman nakikita. Ayan. Pasali po. Ayan. Okay, again. Ano mechanics tumali lang? We're good. Ambe sa support. Okay.
Okay. Wait lang.
Okay, sige lang. Okay lang.
Gold. Okay lang, nabawi.
Try ko tong mid. Try ko i-push itong mid. Try kong i-dep tong mid.
Sige, tap mo lang yan, mid boy.
May wave pa nagpo-push sa bots ko. Tatalon lang eh. Easy. Kasi magre-rely siya dun sa poison eh, di ba? May ano siya, may shield siya. Hindi ko siya
明天是我最不
Sige, ikaw ay lumapit. Ayun, oh, saktong-sakto. Yung bato ko pwede niyang lagyan ng ano, lagyan ng run away, run away. Since ano, tawag dito, since palaki ng palaki yung game, kailangan din mag-upgrade ng devices, di ba?
Papatay yan. Tapangan mo lang yung mundo, tapangan mo lang.
Oh, pa yun yung Kha'Zix ah.
Nasa taas ah. Up yung blue, boss Rebs. Kung gusto mo kunin ah. Nasa scatter siya.
Hindi.
Pakit ako.
Oh, ay, gano'n.
Yan, then stun. Okay. And here's the newest thing. That's another button to press. I support you, bro. I have the power of friendship on my side. I support you. Come on, man. You can secure that dragon without me. Come on. Then 16 gig RAM. What do you guys think? For streaming na yun, for streaming and for ano yun? For, you know, usually boom. Kasi dito din naman yung uunahin natin. So I am going to play Marvel Rivals because of Wolverine, just because of Wolverine. They added the fastball special to the game. Who would have thought, bro? Na ano, susubaybayan ko ng mga streamer eh. Bag sa event nila. Hindi, tapos na sila Vani actually. Next. Locked and loaded. Wala kasi yung Samira namin. Ano na, snowball na siya. $0.5 ako sa LOL. 19. Makayanin yun, mamamatay ako. Sayang yung lead ko sa gold. Yep, okay. And we have to go get that DR now. Kasi mimic yung ino na. Oh my god, ang daming pagulo. Wait lang. This is harder. Holy shit, naubos. Run! I'm the one and only. Ah? Okay, here we go.
Mga support! Mga support kayo! Ayan. Okay. Oy, ang besa. Boss Rebs.
Ano yan? Ba't may ganyan? Ba't may nag-surrender? May nag-throw? Ayo pa.
Man ang buhay-buhay. Napalaban na.
Napalaban na.
Napalaban or excited, ano na, lahat kayo nakabuff. So, Rebs, I think ilang beses ka nang sumali sa mga
Great. Sige, nice. May papansin eh. Umepal yung ano eh, Ash eh. Nice. Bandmaster Yi tayo. Tas we go Jax. Teka lang, may Jax naman ako dito, di ba? Automatic unlock naman si Jax. Ang kwento yung jungler. Ako naman ngayon, ngayon naman, yung support yung ano, walang pakinabang. Gusto ko naman. 6-2! Ah! Marvel Rivals. I'm sorry, Leo. I tried. I can't play the game. I can't play it. Not compatible with DirectX 12. I can't play it. Nice little. Oh, this is a wallpaper worthy moment. Where is she, by the way? Darius oh. Masyado na siyang mataba. Okay, I'll just clear this wave tapos kunin ko na yung ano. Sorry, may prayo ko dito eh oh. Use my ulti yet. Pero dalaw na tayo dito. Andito yung oh, dito tayo. Dito natin ibaba. Ayan o. Dito natin ibaba yan para distracted sila. We'll see. Oh, di garagaren. Magta-tanky build sila. Tanky comp. Uy, Darius. May Jax naman ako, di ba? Jax. Hello, Jax. Oh, naku, wala akong Jax. Teka lang. Tignan natin. Sa top lane. Top lane. Wala akong pages on both Facebook and TikTok. Ayan. Okay. And I think ayan. Up. Players means na tawag dito, magiging healthy yung nilabas nilang LoL Championship Pacific. Kasi if you guys, pag naglaro ko kinabukasan, ban na sila. Oh, hello? Ah, hinugot. Okay. Pero kasi yung sa lore, Corin Revic is not a doctor. He is an artificer. So siya yung tagagawa ng mga... You'll never know when one will pop up and just... Diba? Jump on your ass. Ito. Oink. Oy, Lucian is here. Sige, engage si Yasuo. Wala. Op. Sige na, sige na. Patay ako. Nahuli na lang ako.
Ito oh.
Patay, Diablo.
Gagi,
Nakatakbo. On TikTok, by the way. Ayan. This is exciting. Oh, 6:15 na boys. I-check na natin. Baka kasi wala pa sila, coach.
Kailangan piliin kayo nung iba namin kasama. Ako kasi may napili na ako.
Ayan.
May napili.
Okay. Do 5v5 pero bot match lang to boys ah. Kasi hindi ko pa siya pwedeng to say the least. Ayan o. Echo. Bad positioning from the team, bro. Fine. We're gonna secure I'm gonna have to secure this one. Sino ba yung jungle nila? Magaling din yung jungle nila eh, itong Vi.
Ba't kayo natalo? Di ko rin alam eh.
Hindi, ano ko na may tumawag sa akin.
Harap tayo ng ano? Hindi, Chal?
Oo.
Patulogin na natin yung chat. Pan-distract lang naman yun. On rank mo CN server, currently Emerald 3. Yeah, I'm gonna need to put a scout cam on this one. Scout cam. Bring glory to T1 kami ni Ziggs. Okay. So yan. So you can gain stacks by killing minions as well. Right now. Ayan, boys. It's time. Let's watch Arcane Season 2, Episodes 7, 8, and 9. Right now. Desktop audio will be off. Pag magre-react, I advise to you. Tutulong na ako dito. Wait lang, Mundo. Nako, may objective na sila. Tama na tong kahibangan na to. FF na, please. All green. All green. Please, FF. Bro did the miles. Inis. Ay, Diyos ko. Okay. We're gonna try and